Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are well and keeping safe at your place. Myself Divya Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. Today we are going to study chapter number 11, past tense of your English grammar. So take out your books, English grammar books, everyday English grammar and composition, chapter number 11, past tense, page number 45. Before that, in the previous video, you have learnt about what are tenses and what is a present tense. Just a quick recapitulation. Children, what is a tense? I told you a tense shows when the action occurred, whether the action took place in the present, past or future. So we have learnt about the present tense, and present tense tells us about the habitual or the regular actions, and in today's video we are going to learn about the past tense. Past tense tell us about the actions that took place some time ago, a few minutes ago, a few months ago, a few years ago. So the past tense tell about actions that took place a few time ago. For example, if I write it rained yesterday. Now here in this example I am talking about it rained yesterday. Over here the verb rained is in past tense because the action has already taken place. I forgot my wallet. In this sentence, forgot over here is in past tense, and what will be the present? It's forget. And how have we changed the verb into its past form? By writing forgot, and over here we have written rained. So both of these sentences show that the action has already taken place in the past. Now we learn about few ways of how to change the verbs into their past form. First one is we add d or ed to the verb. For example, cook, cooked, move, moved. Okay, close, closed. Now you all see that how we have changed the verb into its past form. We have added ed to the verb. Cook, we have added ed over here, and in move also we have added d. What we have added over here? D to the verb move. And to close we have added again d. So when we add d or ed to the verb, it is changed into its past form. Second is the change in the spelling of some words. For example, become, became, give, gave. Sometimes if we have to change the verb into its past form, we make a slight change in the spelling. For example, I have written become, in the past form it becomes became, give becomes gave. And there is third way, when some words change completely. They do not follow any rule. Neither we add d or ed. So we completely change the word if we want to change the verb into its past form. For example, teach, taught. Now here you can see that the verbs have completely changed in the past form. Teach has become taught. So these are the three ways of how do you change the verb into its past form. Now I'll discuss few of the examples from the book. Let us discuss some examples from the book. First, underline the definition in your books. Verbs in the past tense tell us about actions that took place some time ago. Example, I went to the market yesterday. As I told you, some words change completely while forming their past tense. Rahim played tennis with his friends. Here we have added ed to the verb to make it past tense. Simple past tense. Some of the ways how we can change the verb into its past form, we add d or ed to change some words into their past tense forms. Example, hope, hoped, dance, danced, push, pushed, call, called. Here you can see d and ed is added to the verbs to change into their past forms. Note the change in the spelling of some words when they change into the past tense form. Some words undergo a change in their spellings. Ring, rang, come, came, find, found, fly, flew. The third is, some words change completely or do not follow any rule while changing. They change into the past tense in irregular ways. Now, some words when they change into their past form, they completely change and they do not follow any rule. Example, go, went, teach, taught. Now, I will discuss exercise with you. Exercise A is, match the verbs in column A with their simple past tense forms in column B. Now I will discuss exercise A with you all. I will discuss the first one. What will be the past of the verb bring? It will be brought. The past of bring will be brought. Okay. Now I will discuss fifth one with you all. Past tense of fall. It will be fell. Rest you can try it yourself and check from the PDF. Now I will discuss question number B. You have to choose the simple past tense forms of the underlined verbs and fill in the blanks. Now here words are underlined and you have to change them into their past form. And here in the box you have been given the options. Second one I will discuss with you. I always find yummy flavors. Last week I dash mint. What will be the past form of find? It will be found. Now, fifth one, sometimes I hide it from my brother once he dash it from me. The past tense of the verb hide will be hid. Now, question number C. I'll take one example. You have to write a sentence each using a past tense form of the given verbs. Here the verbs are given to you. You have to frame a sentence by changing it into its past form. So let's take third one, grow. You have to frame a sentence changing grow into its past form. You can write the sentence, farmers. Past tense of grow will be grew. Then you have to underline it as well. Farmers grew their crops in the field. Okay. Now I'll take the fifth one, get. Sentence you can make, Lata, past tense of get will be got. Lata got a plate in the morning. You can make sentences on your own as well. Rest of the words you can try the sentence and check from the PDF. Okay. Now I'll discuss question number D with you all. Here is a paragraph given to you. Read about Rohit's daily routine, and all the underlined words over here you have to change it into its past form. For example, Rohit gets up at 7 a.m. They have already given you first as an example how they have changed get into its past form. It's Rohit got up at 7 a.m. For the next line, he has a bath. What will be the past of has? The past of has will be had. But you have to write down the complete sentence and you have to underline the word which you have changed into its past form. Okay. Then he has breakfast. Again has will be changed to had. Third one, he leaves for school at 7:45 a.m. What will be the past of leaves? It will be left. Okay. Past of leaves will be left. You have to write the paragraph again by changing the underlined words into its past form, and you have to also underline it. Okay. So you do it yourself and then you can check from the PDF. Now I'll discuss the past continuous tense with you all. Past continuous tense. I hope you all must have understood the past tense. Now we learn about the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense talk about the action that was going on at some point of time in the past. For example, I was studying last night. Now, in the sentence you can see that the action was going at some point of time in the past tense, and over here was studying is the past continuous tense. So as we learned, past continuous tense talks about the action that was going on at some point of time in the past. We use was and were and add ing to the main verb to change it into its past continuous form. That is what is the structure of past continuous. Okay, I was studying last night when the storm came. Over here was, and to study we have added ing. So this is was studying is in past continuous. Rohit and Anisha were sleeping when the alarm rang. So were sleeping over here is the past continuous tense. Now I'll discuss the exercise with you all. Question number E. Use past continuous was or were. According to the subject you will use was or were, and then you will add ing to the verb. Forms of the verb given in the bracket to complete the conversation. First is Tashi, hello Lily, I must ask you what you do last evening. With you always use were, so it will be you were and do will become doing. Okay, now Lily, I study for my exam on Friday. Why? So I was studying. Next, Tashi, I try to call you but your phone was switched off. I was trying. Lily, yes, I switched off my mobile phone to concentrate better. I'm sorry, was it something urgent? Tashi, not really. There was a film festival at the India Habitat Center. Last night they were, play will become playing. A famous animated film, some friends and I were going. To watch it. Now question number F, you have to fill in the blanks with the past continuous forms of the verbs given in the bracket. I'll discuss third one with you. Ahmed and Zahira learn how to bake a cake. Now we are talking over here about Ahmed and Zahira. So the subject is in plural. So we will write were and learn will become learning. Now seventh one I'll discuss with you. My mother drive the car. My mother, subject is singular, so it will be was. Drive will become driving. Rest of the blanks you try it yourself and check from the PDF. I hope children you all must have understood the chapter. Today we learnt past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, so go through the chapter well and complete your book work. Thank you.